Alright, let's see what we have got today. This is a brand new iPhone 12. There has been a recent controversy about not including the charger brick on the package. Apple has cited environmental reasons about that. So let's unbox it right away and see what all are we getting inside this box. And I'll try to give a quick user experience about this one. This is not mine and this is not sponsored by Apple. So I could use it for a brief period of a week time. So I'll just mention a couple of my findings over that time period and yeah, let's do that. They are not including the charger this time. Maybe that's the reason this package is as well super thin as they claimed in their launch event. And also this is of a particular green color phone which is ordered. So according to that, the iPhone logo and the Apple logo both are reflecting the same color in it. That is kind of nice. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, the phone, we'll come to this in a minute. So the charging cable comes with is this is a C-type input and lightning cable, and obviously there is no brick inside. There are two options for chargers to purchase separately in Amazon. One is a 5-watt brick and the other one is a 12-watt brick, which are available at an additional cost. And the last part, this looks to be the documentation thing, and there's nothing much in the documentation. The SIM ejector tool and the documentations and one sticker which you can stick in, I guess, anywhere. Now let's get into the phone. So this is the color, which looks pretty nice, and the glass back cover with the usual Apple logo, which looks classy. So there are two cameras in this housing setup and both are of 12 megapixels and they're able to output 4K video at 60 frames per second max, and then slow motion videos at an incredible 240 frames per second as well. And coming to the front, there is a slight protection guard which we can peel it off. And the display, there is a single camera here and which is also of 12 megapixels, which can also output 4K at 60 frames per second, which is again incredible. Now this device is of 128 gigs. This is also available in 64 trim variant, and this is not the Pro version, it's the iPhone 12. And the RAM, there is no information about the RAM size in this box, so I had to go to the Amazon, and then there also it was missing, and finally in the Q&A I got that this is of 4 gigs, and the Pro version of this phone usually comes with 6 gigs of RAM. Okay, the processor used is A14 Bionic chip, which is supposed to be an upgrade from the A13 Bionic in the iPhone 11 Pro, and also claimed to be incredibly fast. And this is the Super Retina XDR display, which is crystal. There is no questions about the display in an iPhone. They are obviously a benchmark for other mobile phones, and I'm completely satisfied with the performance of the display. So I've bought a new case for this. This is kind of a transparent plastic case. So let me show you this. So see, it looks pretty good with the transparent back side, and on the side profile this is a silver lining, and this is quite good. So I'll drop the links to this in the description. If you're interested, you can go and purchase this, and also the phone purchase links in the description, so you can check that out too. And this doesn't have a fingerprint scanner in this. Instead, this is a Face ID unlock, and which is pretty fast. And yes, this is a dual SIM phone, but there is a catch. One is an eSIM. So that means you can actually put a physical SIM inside this one, a single SIM. The other one is an eSIM, which means it has to be activated using connecting to the network service providers. You can actually put in a physical SIM in that slot. Right now in India, we have Jio and Airtel, which are the networks supporting eSIM facility, and Vodafone Idea is coming to that list too. And this is the slot to eject that single SIM. It has two speakers in the bottom which provides great sound output in stereo quality, and there is no audio jack as you can see, and no AirPods in the packet as well. And this phone is water resistant, and it can withstand up to 6 meters down in the water and for a time period of 30 minutes, and it is rated IP68 and also splash resistant and dust resistant. Two key observations in this brief time period. First one, it's getting heated up. If you continuously use it for some half an hour, maybe if you're taking photos, the device is getting heated up. And the next thing is the battery. You can expect almost a day. Don't expect anything above that. So the typical usage includes a bit of social media, YouTube, and then video calls. That's all, no gaming. And including all of that, I'm observing around a day of battery backup, and the charging time is around 60 to 80 minutes. And finally, reacting to the rumors in social media. Actually, you can go to Dubai and buy an iPhone 12 and then come back. Your total price will be cheaper than what you buy in India. That doesn't seem much true for iPhone 12 or mini. The price difference would be of max 6K. In case of iPhone 12 Pro and Pro Max, that would be a valid point. But in this phone's case, don't go to Dubai. So as I've mentioned earlier, the links to the product and the case are in description. Do check them out. So I haven't included camera tests in this review, so I'll be doing that as a separate video. So do subscribe the channel if you're looking for one. And also I'll be adding a separate 4K videos collection as a cinematic B-roll video. So yeah, stay tuned for that too. Okay, so that's about the iPhone 12 for today. And yeah, stay tuned for more such videos. Do subscribe, and then see you in another one. Bye bye.